fun and play games all about animals marching in a silly parade. Here they come, one by one, marching in the morning sun. The silly animal parade, making sounds in their own way. Trumpet, trumpet, goes the elephant loud. Ooh, ooh, ah, sings the monkey proud. Quack, quack, waddles the duck in line. Hiss, hiss, says the snake behind. Next stop, clap, jump, hooray. The silly animals march and play. Wiggle, wobble, spin around, making funny noises all through town. Look, here's a kangaroo, bouncing high, boing, boing, woo! A lion roars so big and bold, while penguins waddle in the cold. Ribbit, ribbit, croaks the happy frog, oink, oink, sings the dancing hog. Squawk, squawk, says the bright red bird. Nay, nay, is the sound we heard. Next stop, clap, jump, hooray. The silly animals march and play. Wiggle, wobble, spin around, making funny noises all through town. What does a cow say? Woo, woo, woo. How about the owl? Hoo, hoo, hoo. Can you roar like a tiger? Roar! Now let's march some more. Next stop, clap, jump, hooray.